Go in your room, man. No problem.
No problem. All right. But you can see that from the income that's generated, it doesn't look like there's been any improvements since about 10 years back. You can see the state of the house has deteriorated.
But fortunately, Satola discovered a medical protocol that we had to buy from overseas. With the industry that we are in and the situation that he was in, I was forced to stop working and look after him. We were struggling financially, and I called for help with Premier. Please, ningamhluphi after this. Ne? He came running. Wathengela ubaba iset yokuqala ya that medication. I called for help to the Deputy Minister of Women. He bought the second one. That led ukuthi angayiqedi agcina shona. I would also like to thank our Secretary General of the African National Congress, Ubaba Fikile Mbalula, for the love he showed for my husband and the support that he has given to my husband. Nabo mambathabile nabo bonke. Nguma artist ngiyabonga nge-financial contribution ebeniyenza kumyeni wami, beginning ku-program director ubaba uKagiso, abo Rapulani Siphemo, Vos Kunene, Mishak Mavuso, the list is endless. Thank you very much for being there for my husband. Ngibonga ne-family yami engisupport.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. You guys, this is so sad as there's a viral video that's trending on social media platforms, a TikTok of Mfati wa Don Mlangeni fighting nemndeni wa Don over indlu, or they are demanding for the house. Lelaphana eSoweto la bekuhlala khona uDon Mlangeni and his wife. uDon Mlangeni ushiye emhlabeni last month. I think it was 17 April khona lapho, if I'm not mistaken, and his family is already fighting over his things and bafuna ukuthathela umfati wakhe indlu. Njani niyithatha njani indlu yemfati wemufi, like njani? These people were married. They have kids, they were staying together. As a family mustn't it really doesn't make sense. So kupitwe amaphoyisa okugqwele ini, bafanele amaphoyisa so that batokhona ukulamla simo, ngoba kushubile siyabona nje ukuthi kuyakhonjwana, kuyathukwana lana kokuthi cha ishube ngempela, like amahloni wanawo manje uthathela umfelo kwatindlu nisahlaliphi abiyele ekhaya with her kids just because umntwaneni soshonile. Like it really doesn't make sense. Ngikho ngaze kushona indoda uve bathi lo mfati nguyela ebulele because ufuna leave. So this is so sad. It's really sad because ungcwatshele umuntu last month and already they are fighting over indlu. This is so embarrassing. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.